Welcome! The Rosemist neighborhood is a small subdivision of three-story detached homes and located near Magic Mountain in Valencia, Santa Clarita. This video is presenting compliments of your local realtors and brokers, Matt and Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Built by Lennar around 2021, the homes have a sleek, modern look and feel. They are sized from approximately 2843 to 3261 square feet and come with 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. There are 4 similar floor plans, and usually the open living space is on the first floor, the bedrooms on the second floor with a bonus room and deck up top. Some homes might have a loft or deck on the second floor and perhaps a bedroom and full bathroom on the first. Each home has an outdoor patio, but there are no traditional front or backyards. Interested buyers should know there is a monthly HOA cost and an annual Mello-Roos. Overall, the neighborhood blends in nicely with the other surrounding subdivisions. The common areas throughout have been nicely landscaped with a variety of drought-tolerant plants and shrubs. The recreational area is like a small resort and located just across the street at Confluence Park. There's a large multi-use building, swimming pools, a hot tub, lounge areas, a small greenbelt, a park, and more. From there, it's just a short walk to the community garden and a variety of lovely park areas. Nearby schools include West Ranch High, Rancho Pico Junior High, and Oak Hills Elementary. It's about 3 miles to the nearest shopping and dining locations and a little further to the mall. To view listings of homes for sale or to learn more about Rosemist and many other neighborhoods, simply click the link in the description to visit our website at gregoryrealestategroup.com. Thank you for watching this video, and please know we appreciate the opportunity to be of service. Remember, with us, there is never any sales pressure whatsoever. Have a good day. Goodbye for now.